Hi there and welcome to this tutorial on how you can use Talk and Comment as an extension to leave voice notes on students' work really easily. So let's get started. So you can see here on my screen we've got the in the Chrome Web Store, and we've got Talk and Comment Voice Notes Anywhere extension ready to go, and you can see I've already added it to my Chrome. You would just go ahead and add to Chrome and accept the permissions, and then it would appear up here in the top right hand corner. And what we can see is we've got various different options, but basically it's turned on. Okay, now I'm just going to close this window for a second and go to a student's work, and you can see over here on the right hand side I've got the Talk and Comment icon hovering for me. So whereas I might previously have highlighted students' work and typed a comment, what I can do here is I can do it spoken. So this student's written in Spanish for me. Hola, mi nombre es Archie, tengo una hermana que vive conmigo, mi mamá y mi padrastro. Okay, so that's not bad, but there are some issues with that. So I can just highlight, just stop that for a second. So I can just highlight anything I like really. So I could say, for example, in this first sentence, I could highlight that, click. Hi Archie, really good opening, however you are missing some punctuation there because that's made it one long sentence. So think about where those natural pauses might be. So I click stop and it gives me this link, which I can copy. And now I just drop that into there for him. And that becomes a voice note that he can play. Okay, so that's really simple. And then I might find that I've got further issues down here, so I can add a second one if I'd like. Tengo 12 años, mi hermana tiene 10. Okay, so we might say here, for example, okay, so your sister's got 10, but you don't tell us 10 what. Okay, so it'd be good to know and have a little bit more detail in there. Again, just copy that note, drop it in, and now we've got voice comments in there that they can listen to individually. Okay. Now the good thing about this particular extension as well is it also works with PDFs. So although it's really easy to respond, if a student sent you a photo, for example, you might want to or in this case, as the student's done, they've been able to send me a photograph of their work as a PDF. So I'd have a look through this. Okay. Okay. So I might say, for example, I take the option to comment here. Look. Okay, that's where it's going to let me comment. So I'm going to record. Hi Ella, really good, but you're missing a verb at this point. I'm going to take that comment. I'm going to highlight the area of the text and drop the comment in there. I can do the same again later on with a different comment. Okay, and I can give her some final feedback anytime I like. So I can just click here and say, do that again. Click here. Well done, Ella. This is a really good piece of work, much better than your original. So well done. Just be really careful where you've got the ES, that it doesn't just look like the word yes as one word, but a real improvement on last time. So I can copy that note. And again, I can just choose to comment. I can highlight and I can drop that comment in there as a voice note. Okay, so that's how we can use Talk and Comment to leave verbal feedback on our students' work. Give it a try.